Packing up an RV doesn't have to be stressful. Here's the simple checklist I use every travel day. Let's jump right in and get started. Start inside. This is where most mistakes tend to happen. Make sure to secure all cabinets. I make sure every latch clicks. If you have a tricky latch, a bungee cord can help to secure it in place. Next, I turn off and lock the fridge. A fridge door coming open during travel can be a really big nightmare. Now the countertops, make sure to stow anything that can slide or fall, like coffee makers, plants, dog bowls, and electronics. Next, I close and lock all the windows. If you do not have locks for your blinds, put them up. Make sure to secure the TV and retract the antennas. Lock the door in place. Don't forget the shower door. Make sure the ceiling vents are closed unless you have vent covers. Do a quick look around, make sure you didn't miss anything inside before we go outside. Next, head outside and turn off the propane a while. Time for the slides. If you do not have the awnings that cover your slide, you will want to check and make sure they are cleaned off before you retract. Then, one last check of the floor inside for anything blocking the way. Finally, retract fully. Bring in the awning. If your awning is out, time to bring it in while you're right here. Now head back outside. You can go ahead and put up your steps on the way out. Next, you want to disconnect water, power, and sewer if you have it. Store the fresh water, electrical gear, and capped sewer hose in separate bins. Pack away the rest of your outdoor stuff like outdoor chairs and furniture, grills, decorations, and don't forget the dog toys. Go around and check every storage bay. Make sure everything is latched up tight and locked. Time for the tires. Do a quick tire check, looking for low pressure, cracks, or bulges. After you check these, the next step is retract the stabilizers. Next, check and secure your hitch, safety chains, breakaway cable, and pin locks. Now it's time for a 360 walk around. Make sure you didn't miss anything. You can now remove the chocks on the way around. You are all ready to go. If you want a full printable checklist, just comment checklist below. I'll reply with the link. Subscribers get first access. Thanks for watching Compass for Nomads. Like and subscribe for more RV life checklists, tips, and tricks, and more.